Finally made it to the Amalfi Coast. It took a lot longer to get here than Google Maps said it would, and I almost crashed the car 15 times on those 19th century roads. The hotels are pretty pricey, so I hope Sean doesn't kill me. So now, I'm here to find out if the Amalfi Coast is worth the hype. The famed Amalfi Coast can be the Italy of your dreams. It's where colorful villages hang on the cliffs to kiss the deep blue sea. It's where every bite, every sip, and every view is a masterpiece. With increased crowds and hotter weather every year, you're probably wondering if the Amalfi Coast is worth the hype. Now, this isn't just a vacation or Instagram spot. The Amalfi Coast is your invitation to do what Italians do best. Live the best life possible every day. And trust us, you want in. So if you're looking for a place to start planning, don't worry, we got you. Today we're featuring the best things to do on the Amalfi Coast and why we think they're cool. Everything from UNESCO World Heritage Sites, fun experiences, natural wonders, beautiful villages, and delicious food. Like most places in Italy, the Amalfi Coast is best experienced first with the help of a local guide. Check out the variety of tours available throughout the area on our website. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to keep up with the great content on our channel. Naples is the gateway to the Amalfi Coast and the birthplace of the pizza you know and love. But here's the secret. The best pizza on earth is still right here. And to truly understand it, you need to go beyond Naples to the tiny village of Caiazzo, the ancestral home of one of Italy's most legendary pizzaiolos. Franco Pepe is more than a chef. He's a third-generation pizza maestro. At his renowned restaurant Pepe and Grande, he's redefining what pizza can be, earning culinary awards, global acclaim, and a regular spot on TV as the ambassador of authentic Neapolitan pizza. We made the pilgrimage to Caiazzo ourselves, just to find out, is it really worth all the hype? Spoiler alert, it is. The pizza here is so remarkable that we've decided to dedicate an entire episode to this experience. Don't miss this. Hit that subscribe button, ring the bell, because this is one slice of Italy you'll definitely want to taste of. When in Rome, you should visit the Colosseum. When on the Amalfi Coast, you should spend as much time as possible on the water. To really feel the Amalfi Coast, you gotta see it from the sea, just like centuries of travelers before us. The thrill of exploring hidden grottos, swimming in secret coves, and feeling that salt air and that midday Italian sunshine can easily be part of your plan here. There's a variety of boat tours that depart from Naples, Sorrento, Amalfi, and Capri. Remember, long lines and crowded docks are for transportation ferries. You don't need a yacht to feel like a VIP here. Climbing the stairs of the Cathedral of Sant'Andrea or the Amalfi Cathedral isn't just a workout, it's a walk through history. Built in the 9th century and dedicated to St. Andrew, the first disciple of Jesus and patron saint of sailors and pirates and fishermen, this place has seen it all. Imagine standing where medieval merchants sought blessings before their risky voyages. If you're driving on the treacherous Amalfi Coast roads, you might want to climb the stairs, check out the church, and ask for a blessing too. Crowds inundate towns like Positano and the island of Capri every single summer. For a better experience, we recommend staying the night, because when day trippers leave, that's when the magic happens. With 250 to 270 days of sunshine on the Amalfi Coast, the best time to visit is from mid-April to mid-June or in mid-September. You'll also get milder temperatures and cheaper prices. The pro move is to stay in a smaller town. Staying in or around towns like Praiano, Minori, Maori, or Erchie will be more authentic and less crowded. You might not be used to having a long 2-hour lunch where you live, but in the sun-kissed land of La Dolce Far Niente, it's commonplace. Actually, lunch is the main meal here and is a cultural tradition that embodies the Mediterranean way of life, where meals are not rushed, but enjoyed slowly. During a pranzo lungo or long lunch, locals and visitors alike savor multiple courses, including antipasti, fresh seafood, pasta, main dishes, and desserts, often accompanied by local wines. Whatever you order, this tradition highlights the importance of slowing down, socializing, and appreciating good food and company, a practice deeply rooted in Italian culture. Sorrento is the first big town on the Amalfi Coast and a hub for transportation and shopping. Every shop has one thing in common: limoncello. When it comes to limoncello, it is the de facto drink of the area and taken seriously by locals. handmade from legendary Sorrento lemons, which are these massive lemons on steroids and full of flavor. Now this just isn't a drink, it's a taste of sunshine in a bottle. Wander the winding streets, find a small shop, and let the owners tell you why their limoncello is the best. Take a bottle home so you can remember the warm sunshine of the Amalfi Coast. The main square on the island of Capri is lovingly called the Piazzetta. It was once a humble marketplace, but today is the heartbeat of the island. This is where the glitterati of the 1950s came to see and be seen, and where today you can sip on an Aperol Spritz like a true insider. As the sun sets, the square fills with laughter, clinking glasses, and the scent of citrus. Locals and travelers mix effortlessly here, sipping spritzes and Negronis and toasting to another beautiful day. Here, it's all about the little things, the perfect balance between bitter and sweet, a plate of olives, crispy bruschetta, and good conversation. The experience here isn't just about drinks. It's about joining a tradition that brings people together from all over the world. An aperitivo here is more than a pause. It's a moment that makes you part of Capri's story. Positano is the most famous town on the Amalfi Coast. For centuries, it has attracted poets and writers, but today it's consumed by droves of tourists. The spectacular setting of jumbled pastel-colored houses piled high above the sea keeps making this tiny town the darling of social media. The focal point of the town is the Marina Grande, which was once a bustling harbor for ancient traders, is now the place where modern wanderers drop anchor and relax on the pebbly beach. Climbing the endless stairs or exploring the narrow streets can be challenging during the peak summer season. Our secret is to arrive in Positano by sea and enjoy the views from the water as much as you can before exploring the town. Capri isn't just an island, it's a legend waiting to be explored. Located off the coast of Naples and Sorrento, it's reachable by boat in just about an hour. From Roman emperors seeking refuge to modern-day explorers chasing that perfect view, Capri's secrets are best discovered by boat. A small group boat tour or private boat allows you to circumnavigate the island, checking out 7 hidden grottos and sailing underneath the iconic Farialoni rocks. The Blue Grotto, or Grotta Azzurra, is the most famous sea cave on the northwest side of Capri, known for its glowing, crystal blue waters, accessible only by rowboat. The unique blue hue creates this otherworldly experience that feels like you're floating in thin air. The 3 rock formation rising out of the sea are the Farialoni rocks, those striking rock pillars that are famous that stand isolated in the sea, unconnected to the land. Pompeii began as a Greek settlement before becoming a bustling Roman outpost. That all changed on August 24, 79 AD, when Mount Vesuvius erupted, burying the town and sealing it in the ashes of time for centuries. Over 3 million people visit Pompeii each year because it offers a complete view into the life of ancient Rome, making it Europe's premier archaeological site and a must-see in Italy. Unlike Rome or Naples, Pompeii was not built up over time, so visitors can wander through preserved temples, villas, and even see some of the victims. Visiting with an archaeologist guide is the best way to turn rubble and stone into stories and not get lost in the 170 acres of this fascinating time machine. Well, that's it for my time here on the Amalfi Coast. I'm Angel Castellanos for the tour guide. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and smash that bell so you can find our next video. Happy travels.